Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Cape Daisy here, also known as Osteospermum, South African plant, so it's a bit marginal on whether it survives the winters here or not, but it's a really nice plant for having carpeting flowers and for giving you that slightly exotic look as well. So it's pretty easy going, but it is worth going through occasionally and checking if there's any old flowers once taken out, otherwise known as deadheading. It's another plant, it's grown and in the threes, so that first flower came out, followed by the other two, so that one has now finished. So always cutting down to a join. So we will take you down to there. We also have this one there, just taking it down to the join. Down to a bud there. You're always looking to have either a bud or a flower coming off any of these joints. If there isn't, keep going down even further. All of this is keeping the plant free of clutter, and it's encouraging it to create new flowers. Because if you've taken off the old flowers, then it can't create seed, which means it can't make babies, so it's going to try again. And there we go, looking a bit tidier.